how to back up contacts to Google account. So if you want to back up your contacts to your Google account, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your contacts. After opening your contacts application, you need to go with the top right. As you can see that my contacts have been backed up to this Google account. So if you want to back up to another Google account, then you just need simply go with organize, and here you need to go with export and select any account in which you would like to export or in which you would like to save. So I'll go with an account and then tap on export, tap on save, and that's it. The contacts will be exported shortly. Now you can go and log in to another account in which you would like to add, and now you need to scroll down and tap on import from file and select the account and then select the contacts, and that's it. The contacts will be imported to this account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.